Welcome to another episode of Between Two Trucks. I'm your host with the most, Barney, the roofing guy. I have a special guest today, Ryan Moore Johnson Maines. Welcome aboard.
It's not my name.
Well, I'm still trying to find out who you're related to in this company, so I'm just going to go with all the names.
Who are you related to? You gotta be.
Nobody.
You get a show like this, you're related
Well,
to
they
someone.
found me under a rock.
Yeah.
You know, I'm that type of guy. Solid piece of rock. So welcome.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Why are you here today?
Because you told me there was food down here, truthfully.
This is a roofing company. It's not a bakery.
Yeah, I know, but you said there was catered lunch, so. I see.
We're a low-budget film production here, so
Yeah,
there's a vending machine over there.
is that why you
need
need
$1 or something?
duct tape my microphone on?
Right, clip broke. The episode today we're going to talk about is 6 installation mistakes spray foam roofing contractors make. So, Mr. Johnson, Moore,
Mains.
could you go out today and actually spray a polyurethane foam roof?
Myself?
Yes.
No, I couldn't.
Why not?
Because I am not trained like the guys that we have in the field. They've been doing it for many, many years, and I trust them well more
Well,
than
you
myself.
sure act like you know everything like your brother Jack, so
Mains,
amazing.
not more.
To help you out, I know you're a younger generation and you're
Don't go there.
technical savvy, so us discussing it, I had a few extra apps I brought
Oh,
to help the situation out,
okay.
to show you some pictures and maybe explain it might be a little easier for you. Well, funny thing was, I was going across some of the archives and I actually came across one of your baby pictures today. I thought it was pretty cute, so I had to show everybody because, you know, now I know who your brother is after all these years.
This
These
been
last
checked.
couple
This isn't
years.
censored,
Huh?
is it? Is this?
Isn't that a cute picture? It just warmed my heart when I seen that. I said, I got to bring this up and show you.
Do you see a resemblance there?
Well, you got both the same outfits.
In the face, hostess. In
Well,
the
that's your
face.
older brother and that's you. I just thought it was cute. I had to bring it out.
Mains.
Well, then I kept going and then I found another picture when you're a little bit older. So, you know, bros for life.
Bros for life. Just weird how my head's real. I must not have grown in my body yet. I don't know.
And you did slobber a lot when you were a little. Still do a little bit there, but I hope the camera don't pick it up. All right, we get a lot of applicators out there that think they know how to spray foam, and sometimes it gives the foam a bad name. And a lot of it comes down to prep work or the surface they're spraying over. Now this picture here is showing a modified roof with blisters. Now, what would you do with a situation like this?
Well, by the looks of that roof, I can't say I would keep it. It may have to come off. That blister would definitely be gone before any application was made. You don't want to spray over that. Can't cover a turd with a rose. Hostess, remember that.
Whoa. This is a family-oriented show here. You gotta watch the damn language, all right? As a customer, I've heard this before, that you can spray foam in colder weather. And some applicators do that. Do we do that?
Do not do that. You always want to watch your temperature. You know, 50 degrees and rising is what we're looking for.
How the hell you spray foam in Ohio? Seems like it never gets above 50 degrees. Is that why we got guys in Florida right now, right?
That's probably why.
Yeah.
But it's 55 out today, isn't it?
I don't know.
I know you're just the host. You're not a meteorologist. I'm just asking.
Sometimes to save time, a contractor comes in, sprays over a wet roof.
It's a bad practice. Spraying over wet anything is going to come back to haunt you in the long run. It's not going to solve the issue. Would you like me to elaborate a little
How
bit
long
more?
you been doing this?
How long you been doing this?
30 plus years, give or take.
2+ years, give or take, a couple weeks. You want to make sure all your debris is clean. You want to have a clean surface, clean substrate you're spraying to. And once you... Is there a pretty girl behind me or something? Oh,
Focus.
I am. Clean surface you want to
Squirrel.
spray to.
Never mind. Let's go to the next one.
there's a lot of ponding water on that roof.
Yeah?
So it's either a clogged drain or there's no slope to the drains, or gutter, whatever the case may be for drainage.
Well, to me, it looks like the moon.
Oh, that too, yeah. Which could be an issue of why there's ponding water.
That makes you an astronaut, don't it?
You're the one that, knows what the moon looks like, apparently.
So to conclude this episode, I got one question I want to ask you. Can anyone besides yourself install spray foam roof?
Yeah, there's a lot of other contractors that can do what we do, but it depends on the quality of contractor that you have doing it. And we at West obviously take great pride in that.
Very well. Well, I appreciate you coming in today, bullshitting your way through this.
Well,
And thank you again for... Man,
what?
you even got worse the second time.
Worse?
Yeah. You that nervous?
No. Maybe you just got the wrong guy for this.
I'm afraid to pick on you. I don't want to get you upset. Did I upset you?
No, you're always
The
great.
pictures? Did I upset you with the pictures, didn't I?
You probably laughed all
That'll go
day.
in the company
Oh, you-
album too,
You
buddy.
probably laughed all day when you were putting those together.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow. Thank you for joining in today. We'll catch you next time. Thank you.